Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to unblock a number on Android 2025. Let's begin. There are two main ways of unblocking numbers. The very first one is simply going to your phone application, and then you want to head into three dots in the top right corner, go to settings, and then go to blocked numbers. Now of course this may vary and depend on your device. I am currently using Google Pixel, so I do have an iOS Android. The layout might be a little bit different for you if you're coming from other device. Anyway, in order to unblock a number, you can simply hit an X icon next to them. As you can see, we can now unblock it. Or, more generally speaking, we can simply find the block number here, unless we remember what numbers we did block. You want to click on it, and as you can see, this one's blocked, so we can just scroll down and same thing go with unblock numbers. And this way, our number is now unlocked. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.